Chưa lắp chiếc này chú nào.
So, all my YouTube followers, this is a Zippo update. This is my Amphilophus tremaculatus, female, about 9 inches in length now, getting nice and solid, stocky and deep in the body. Very beautiful fish. I hope this is coming through alright. This is the first time I've taken video with my HD camera, so it's a bit of a learning curve. There's one beautiful fish. It shows such a great personality too. Heaps of fun to play with. A very avid feeder, like all big cichlids. Anyway guys, I'll let you watch for a little while. Sorry it's been so long since between videos, but you know, life gets in the way. That's why I'm bringing this one to you now. Enjoy guys. Subscribe. I promise I'm going to start doing more regular videos. She's in a very calm mood at the moment. Digging like normal. Yeah, she's beautiful. Alright, enjoy.
You're a professor at Strader? No. You didn't? No. You didn't introduce yourself as Professor Rothschild, did you? Your degree is philosophy. Right. Kind of like it when you know right or wrong answers. Right or wrong, how does it recognize? Is this fun for you? Excuse me? Are you having fun? Well, a bit more complicated than that. What do you mean? You wouldn't understand. Fine. I read your books there.
Let's do this. George.
Oh, no way. Look at him. Oh, he looks super gay.
Yeah, it's a little gay wig.
Gay wig. Why did they make his little mustache and beard grey? Like it's too dark.
I think that's usually the first place it starts going grey. It has been on many.
That's what I'm saying. Like the mustache doesn't get
Give it another couple of years and I'll be grey as a mule.
Not far behind you, baby. Not far behind you.
Oh, I'm getting so sick of it, but it really does give you a sense of security. If that makes any sense. Oh, I find that it uses it. Drinking my tea in the morning is a real exercise of patience. And a lot of leave-wiping.
Good luck with that. Oh, did you hear from me? Oh, yeah, I'm waiting for a supplemental from Houston to field up so I can get that report. You can just let me know when it gets it.
Sorry, bird. Sorry, bird.
Really?
Little bitty kitty named Sorry, bird.
Yeah. Okay. Well, if you need anything, all right.
I can't wait to get that essay version. Because this is the... No, this is Ontario. Because this is the Rat 3, and their essay is called the model. pretty much the same life, just with a lot of more attention to detail. More style real. This is my favourite. Favourite pitch way I've got over there, I reckon. It's sharp and fun too, based on my patience. The learning curve. What the fuck? One that is. I don't know why people are so fucking blue about whole steel, man. I haven't got a single one that I would trust.
Maybe he's just really arrogant or whatever. We don't know anything about it. Maybe because he's not like him because he's just the guy's mate top shit.
He's boxing.
Yeah, maybe they just guys think he's all that. I don't know.
Well, these guys are all screwed in financial proofs, you know, like if it's these are $100 knives, they're not knives.
Quality there.
Damn right they are. You couldn't break one even if you fucking tried. I think there's just a stigma attached to them, you know? I'm not going down with the shit. I'm afraid of water. Yes.
You see this one? Oh yeah, you did the last one. I will call him.
Well, that was over before the game. Hey?
I will call him.
I saw that one a couple of days ago. I'm going to wrap up this. Alright YouTube friends, the battery, this is about to go flat, so I might wrap it up here. Once again, this is Zippo, my 8-9-month-old Amphilophus trimaculatus, growing so well and looking absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I might have to add too, this is the common, well not the common, but this is the natural version. This is the green, not to be mistaken with the bright yellow strain that we see a lot of these days. Can't remember exactly what they're called. I should. Shit, it was just in my Pyro. Yeah, this is not a Pyro Trimac. This is what you would find in the wild. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed that. More videos to come. Cheers. Say goodbye, Zippo.